put the sheet in place.
Make sure that
it's at least at the 80 or 90.
So
this
50,
is 90.
50 is the dark.
Yeah.
And the other subsequent lines are 10.
Correct. And this is, so the proximal part should look like this, because the most distal part is the one that is gonna be locked to the MAC or the introducer.
So make sure that's gonna go over the category.
Correct. Correct. And then you need to hook all this up to our transducers. So blue one will go to CVP, yellow one will go to PA, and then the white one is an additional port that needs a clave and a flush, and then the balloon. So first we test and make sure that everything is primed. So when you prime the PA, you'll see flush coming out from the tip. When you prime the central line, you'll see a flush coming from around 30 centimeters. So that's the CVP line. And then there is a side port that is, where is it? Yes, the other one. Yes, here. And that's what that's where the flush from the blue line, from the white line comes out. And then you make sure the balloon inflates well. So for that you only need 1.5 cc's of air, and you inflate and then deflate, and that's how it should look. So when you're about to put this one in, so someone else is hooking up all these things, and then the person who's placing it will advance the Swan with the balloon deflated all the way to 20. And then whoever is helping out will inflate the balloon and lock it in place so it doesn't deflate like this. And then we start advancing. Because everything is connected to the monitor, then you'll see some tracings in and out. The most important one is the PA tracing. So at some point you'll see right atrium, then the right ventricle, and then eventually you'll get to the PA. And it will look something like this if we would get an x-ray. So once you're in the right position, the next thing to do is to deflate the balloon. And that's it. And then lock this in place. To lock this, you have two locks. One locks to the actual introducer or MAC, and the other one locks to the catheter so it doesn't move. One thing to remember, if you are advancing the Swan, the balloon has to be inflated. If you're withdrawing the Swan, the balloon has to be deflated. You can cause injury with that.
Okay, perfect.